How to autosave live videos to Instagram archive. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to autosave live videos to Instagram archive. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, then tap on settings. Next, tap on privacy, then tap on the option live. Then here at the bottom, you'll see there's an option to save live to archive. So this will automatically save your live video to your archive. Only you can see your archive. Live videos are archived for 30 days. So if you want to do this, toggle that on. And that's all it takes to autosave live videos to Instagram archive. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.